Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. And in today's video we are going to talk about, once again, a multi-game card from the 90s. And this one is for the Mega Drive. A little shout out to Multi-Card Collector, because he sent me this to review, to check it out. And no, I'm not going to put it in my collection, just going to send back after the review. And this video, yeah, it's a tiny card, an old card, and there's nothing much to say. It's a very flimsy box. At the side we're finding the games that are on it. What the? Yeah, that's basically the same. Oh man. Alright, so at the inside we're finding no manual. Alright, so let's take a close look at the cartridge itself. Wow, this is a really flimsy case. Very cheap plastic. Not even screwed, so these are more like the cheap versions. No chemical plastic. Sorry, I needed to smell it. The PCB is a little bit loose inside. Okay, let's take a close look at the cartridge. And as you can see, it got afterburners. There are some good games on it. Pac-Man, Sonic. So I'm very curious, what are we going to get? I'm guessing this is not having a menu. So let's just plug it in the system and reset. So that's what we're going to do. Let's check it out. Oh, we're having a menu. So that's pretty unique for the back of the day. So we have a Sonic 1 afterburner. We're going to check some games out. A Pac-Man. Sonic 1 people, let's go. And for the people who are saying, yeah, but it runs a little bit slow. Yes, I'm playing on pause system. So it's running a little bit slow. I know, it's really annoying, I can't help it. I still need to find myself a replacement for my Retro 3 Plus because I want to play on the other region. Don't get me wrong, it plays all the other games, only forcing it to the pause system or the 50 frames. Really annoying. But this is what I grow up with. This was the speed we had. We didn't have this 60 frames, no. Okay, sorry, my controller was doing a little bit of it, but you're getting the point. Reset. Afterburner. Ooh. I think I played this game back at the day, but it's a very long time. Ooh! Ooh! Oh! Still a very cool game. Okay, let's go. What kind of Tetris game do we have? That never happened. Alright, the columns. This is one of the classic games for the Mega Drive. There were some official multi-game cards back in the day. To be honest, more like a Tetris guy. I was not really into this columns thing. No. I like the soundtrack, by the way. And for the last game, let's try Pac-Man. It's Miss Pac-Man. Ooh. Looks nice. Oh, I think I'm not going to clear the full stage, but I'm a really big Pac-Man fan. Alright people, so for the final conclusion regarding this multi-game card. I think for the collector who just want to have these small collections and just want to collect these multi-game cards, they're pretty cool. And this one contains some nice games, for example Sonic 1, Pac-Man, Afterburner. But yeah, I think if you just want to buy to play it, of course if you find this on a flea market for a couple of dollars, yeah, why not? But if you need to pay big bucks for it, nah. Cheap plastic, flimsy box, and the game collection is very tiny. And yeah, nowadays we're spoiled, man. We have so many multi-game cards out there with containing, let's say, 100 games and more. So let me know what you think of this. Would you even consider buying it, for example, if you find it for a couple of dollars? Let me know. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. Oh, and if you like this retro gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel, because I do a lot of retro gaming, indie gaming, you name it. You really need to get over there and check it out. Alright, see you next time, and goodbye.